Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to create HD quality ultra realistic images of ourselves or maybe someone else. So I'll go back to my prompt and then let's move down a bit. So let's say, okay, let's check this marble interior lobby. So I'll just copy this marble interior lobby. So let's see what it is going to give us. I'll do the same thing again. I'll paste the prompt and I'm going to choose my reference image. Now let me say this here. I know some of you might be thinking, why do I have to choose my reference image again since the image has been referenced up? So based on from my experience, I discovered that the more you include your reference image, the more you get the exact image as the product of from the prompt that you are using. So always include your reference image. Include your reference image. So we are just going to click on submit and then let's just wait for a couple of seconds and then it begin to generate the image. Mind you, if you are getting value from this video, kindly do to like, share and also subscribe. Turn on the notification bell because I'll be dropping a lot of videos here on how to create things, how to create images, how to animate the image to become a video so that you can get these skills and also do it for people and then get paid. The essence of me teaching this is not just for you to know it, but for you to take action, begin to practice it and get paid. So this is our final result. Surprised, right? Are you surprised? Let me see in the comments below. Let me see in the comment section below. Would you like to learn this? How many images are you going to create of yourself or for somebody? So this is very, very powerful.